Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be presenting on Bruxism.
Okay guys, let's get into it. What is bruxism? Bruxism is a condition characterized by the involuntary grinding, clenching or gashing of teeth. It can happen while a person is awake, wake bruxism, or during sleep, sleep bruxism. Many people are unaware that they have it until complications arise, such as jaw pain, headaches, or worn down teeth. Okay, for some background information. The term bruxism comes from the Greek word breheniag, meaning to gash teeth, first identified as a medical issue in the early 20th century. It affects an estimated 8 to 31% of the population, most common in children, young adults, and highly stressed individuals. Okay, how does it present? Teeth grinding or clenching. This can be loud enough to wake up a sleep partner. Flattened, fractured, chipped, or loose teeth. The grinding can wear down the tooth enamel, exposing deeper layers of the tooth. Tooth pain or sensitivity. This can result from the pressure and wear on the teeth. Tight or tired jaw muscles. You might feel difficulty opening or closing your mouth fully. Jaw, neck, or face pain. This can sometimes feel like an earache. Headaches, often starting at the temples. Sleep disruption, grinding noises can disturb your sleep or that of your partner.
Symptoms of bruxism: jaw, neck, face, pain or soreness, jaw muscles that are larger than expected, pain that feels like an earache, dull headaches starting at the temples, sleep problems, tight or tired jaw muscles. Sometimes they may lock and won't open or close all the way, and the jaw may also pop and click. Here we have an image of a patient who has their before and after treatment for bruxism pictures. So on the left we can see where the jaw muscles are exaggerated, while on the right you can see where they are more normal looking. What causes bruxism? The cause for bruxism is unknown. However, oral health specialists often point to too much stress and certain personality types as the cause of bruxism. Certain factors can put a person at risk for bruxism, including having certain sleep disorders, side effects of taking certain psychiatric medicines, psychosocial factors, for example, stress, smoking tobacco, heavy alcohol use, caffeinated drinks, using drugs such as cocaine, and having certain neurological disorders. So now we're going to dive into the effects of bruxism. So the first one we have is tooth wear and erosion. Constant grinding and clenching action exerted on the teeth can wear down the enamel. Over time, this can result in flattened, shortened teeth, uneven biting surfaces, and increased tooth sensitivity. Enamel damage and tooth sensitivity. Bruxism can cause enamel to become thin and weaken, and exposing the underlying dentin layer, which contains nerve endings. This can result in a heightened sensitivity to hot, cold, and sweet stimuli. Increased risk of tooth fractures. The weakened enamel combined with the repetitive pressure during bruxism can cause the teeth to chip, crack, or break, requiring restorative dental procedures. Increased risk of tooth fractures. Another effect is TMJ disorders. The excessive pressure and strain on the jaw can lead to pain, discomfort, and restricted movement of the jaw. TMJ disorders can cause jaw clicking, popping, or locking, and can contribute to headaches and facial muscle fatigue. Head and neck pain. So the tension created during grinding and clenching can cause the attached neck and head muscles to feel strained, leading to migraines and tension headaches. This discomfort starts in the temporal area and the muscle strain causing pain in the neck and down to the shoulders. Ear disorders. Due to the close proximity of the TMJ and the inner ear, strong bite forces can compress the muscles near the jaw, including the eustachian tube connected to the ear's tympani muscle.
Okay, for behavioral therapy, we want to encourage our patients to manage their stress, to change their behavior, to practice jaw relaxation, and to try a new gadget called biofeedback. And that's it for our video on Bruxism. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.